Well, there it's Mr. Herman, back with another video on how to find, in this case, the volume of pyramids. Last time I got interrupted by a phone call, so you can see it's partially done. I'll review all the things I went over. Hopefully, we won't get a phone call during the middle of this one, too. It's kind of hard when you're using your phone to shoot these videos and somebody calls. So let's go with the, again, the idea that we're working on volumes of pyramids. There are three types of pyramids we're going to focus on: the square, the rectangular, and the triangular, and they're named by their base. So let's focus on this first one right here now. This has a square base, so it's called a square pyramid. It has the apex right here, which is directly above the center of the base. So we have to find the formula, which is the base area times the height times a third. It's exactly 1/3 of a cube. So if a cube measured 6 by 6 by 6, and it was a cube, like a die, or a Rubik's Cube type thing, like a cube like that, that would then be 1/3. This pyramid would be 1/3 of that. That's why the formula works that way. In class, we have a demonstration I show you, but I couldn't show you in class, so we'll just work it out here. So I already have this one started out a little bit to show you, so you can see I copied the 1/3 down. Then my base area, I shaded it in, is 6 by 6, and that's these two here. Notice that base area, capital B, is two measurements multiplied by each other. That's why it's not lowercase, because it's a base area, not just a length of a side. Then this final 6 is this height right here. So let's go ahead and multiply those out by each other. So we'll take 1/3 times 6 times 6 times 6, which is 72. So we get 72, and this is in meters cubed. Again, notice how it's going to be cubed because I'm taking three things and multiplying three things together. That's why it's cubed. You don't count the constant of the third. Okay. Now let's try the second one. The second one right here is well, you tell me what it looks like there. What kind of base is that? That's a rectangular base. So we're going to go ahead and fill that one in. And that's a rectangular pyramid. Same formula, which makes it nice and easy to work with. So it's still going to be volume equals 1/3 times the base area times the height. So I'll copy that 1/3 down. The base area this time, again, is the rectangle, so it's going to be 9 times 12. So 1/3, 9 times 12. And again, that is that capital B right there, the H. It's going to come over on the end here. That's the height, which is, in this case, 6. Right there is 6. So it's times 6. So let's use our, let's bring it over this way this time. Calculator over there. And we have 1/3. Using the ABC button again for that. Times 9 by 12 by 6 times 9 times 12 times 6. 216. So this one's going to be 216 kilometers. That's right, cubed. Hopefully some of us knew that before I said it. I was trying to pause and see what you guys thought. Let's do the last one now. The last one is a triangular pyramid. And again, named by its triangular base. So that's going to be a triangular. And again, they have hexagonal, all kinds of size, octagonal pyramids, all kinds. We just don't go into those in the 7th grade usually. So the same formula again. Again, let's look at our base first. Our base is the bottom right. It's the apex goes straight down the center. So our formula is still base area times height. And this time the base area is a triangle. Well, that's going to kind of throw things off a little bit, isn't it? Because the base area of a triangle is that formula for a triangle is a half base times height. So I'm going to put in here 1/2 times the base and height. And that's going to be all this. So let me figure out they are first. Where's the 90-degree angle at? Right here. There it is. So this 10 is going to be useless here. I'm not going to use that. That's the hypotenuse. We want 6 times 8. So 6 times 8. Now look at that. That's all going to be the base area. All this part here. Because that's the triangle. And then H comes down here. And that's going to be the 10 right here. That goes at a 90-degree angle there. So times 10. And then we're going to get our calculator and multiply that all out. So let's see what we get there. 1/3. So 1/3. 1 ABC 3 times 1/2. 1 ABC 2. Then we got 6, 8, 10 times 6 times 8 times 10. And that gives us 80. Some of you probably figured that out because the 1/3 and 1/2 cancels out the 6. 8 times 10 is 80. Hopefully some of us can do that mentally too, right? And that's going to be miles cubed. All right, I hope you enjoyed that one. Make sure you subscribe. Most people have done that. A lot of our students have subscribed. Almost every year we ask you guys to do that. And then check the homework out and check the key and let me know if you have any questions. This one will be due Wednesday, which is tomorrow. I'm shooting it early, but this will be due Wednesday at midnight. And then we'll have the quiz on Thursday, and then you get a whole week break. All right, have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.